Step-by-step guide to an amicable divorce in San Diego. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you and your spouse are in agreement and looking for a peaceful, efficient way to end your marriage in San Diego County, an amicable divorce is absolutely the way to go. But even if you're on the same page, the paperwork and legal steps can still be confusing. I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process for finalizing an amicable divorce in San Diego without going to court or hiring expensive attorneys. Step 1 is filing the divorce petition. One spouse will need to initiate the case by filing a petition, FL 100, and summons, FL 110, and if there are minor children, a declaration under the UCCJEA, FL 105. These documents are filed electronically in San Diego County, and you'll receive a case number shortly after. Step 2 is serving your spouse. Even if you're in agreement, the other party must be officially served or sign a notice and acknowledgement of receipt. This is a required legal step, and it's what starts California's mandatory 6-month waiting period before your divorce can be finalized. Next, both parties need to complete and exchange financial disclosures. These include your schedule of assets and debts and income and expense declarations. Even in the most amicable cases, these forms must be completed accurately. They're required before the court will approve your final divorce judgment. Step 4 is preparing your marital settlement agreement. This document outlines the division of assets, debts, property, support, and parenting plans if children are involved. The clearer and more detailed this agreement is, the smoother the approval process will go. Once the agreement is signed by both parties and all disclosures are complete, we prepare and file your judgment package. This includes the final agreement, all supporting forms, and court-required documents. In San Diego, we file everything electronically and monitor your case until the court reviews and approves it. We recently helped a San Diego couple complete all of these steps in just a few weeks. Their judgment was approved shortly after the 6-month window passed, and they never had to set foot in court or speak to an attorney. That's the power of a truly amicable process when handled properly. At Divorce 661, we specialize in amicable, uncontested divorces. We handle everything for you, start to finish, so your divorce is filed correctly, processed efficiently, and approved as quickly as possible. If you're looking for a smooth, court-free divorce in San Diego County, visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll take care of the paperwork so you can focus on moving forward with peace of mind.